With voters deciding dozens of local races last night, some candidates will actually appear on ballots again next year.
This is because the New York State Court of Appeals upheld a law that's been challenged for years. John Perticone celebrating Wednesday after winning the race for Aronicoit Town Supervisor.
I want to thank the voters in Aronicoit.
The position is a 2-year term, but now he'll have to campaign all over again next year. That's because a relatively new state law, which moves elections for several local offices to even-numbered years. Lawmakers in Albany passed the measure, saying this will increase voter turnout, lining up with when federal politicians are elected. Jeff McCann in a similar position. He was just elected Greecetown Supervisor, a 4-year term. But with this new state law, he will be back on the ballot 1 year earlier in 2028. The State Board of Elections says this law primarily impacts town offices and some county offices, like county executive, county comptroller, and county legislators. The New York Republican Committee in several counties filed a federal lawsuit last week, saying the law is unconstitutional and suppresses local candidate speech. The New York Association of Towns agrees, adding local voters should determine when elections are held, not the state, and thinks the change will lead to voter fatigue.
I think already we have folks across the state who may not necessarily be engaged in local elections to the level they should be, but now those issues are going to be even further down the ballot and further removed from the voter's mind when they go into the booth and start voting for what will be the president, the governor, the U.S. senator.
Now, several positions where the law does not apply include town or county offices with 3-year terms, city and village offices, school board, sheriff, and district attorney.